Hey there, goal-getters. Today I'm going to share with you 6 keys for sustainable success. 6 concepts that have made ordinary individuals achieve extraordinary results in a sustainable manner. We often hear about individuals who reach the pinnacle of their success only to fall back just as quickly. Which got me thinking, the real challenge isn't really in achieving success. The real challenge is staying on top. So let's dive into what it takes to achieve sustainable, long-term success. Okay, by now you know the drill. Stay till the end of this video because I have a special gift just for you. The first key to achieving sustainable success is having a strong foundation. Imagine a skyscraper. The taller it stands, the stronger and deeper its foundation needs to be. The same lies for success. Your personal and professional foundation needs to be solid. This involves having clear values, a strong work ethic, and a supportive network. Building a strong foundation means understanding your values and principles. It means knowing what you stand for, but also aligning towards it. The second key towards sustainable success is continuous learning. The world is constantly evolving and changing, and this means we need to keep adapting, expanding, growing. It means being a lifelong learner. It is said that Bill Gates reads almost 50 books a year, and he attributes a lot of his success to his continuous learning. So what does that mean for us? It means investing in ourselves, investing in our education, whether that is a formal education, whether it's a self-directed education. The trick is to stay curious, to keep learning. The more you learn, the more you grow. The more you grow, the better equipped you are to overcome challenges and seize opportunity. The third key to sustainable success is resilience. Resilience is your ability to bounce back after a setback. It's what keeps us moving forward when things get really tough. Resilience is built through facing challenges head on and then learning from them. It's about having a growth mindset and viewing setbacks and challenges as opportunities of learning, as opportunities of growth, rather than looking at them as challenges and roadblocks. The fourth key towards sustainable success is balance. Maintaining balance between your personal life and professional life is crucial. Burnout is real and it can derail your success if not managed appropriately. Sheryl Sandberg is an advocate for work-life balance, and she stresses the importance of downtime. So what does that mean for us? Find activities that recharge you, whether that means spending time with loved ones, pursuing a hobby, or just creating time for you to sit back and relax. Balance is essential for long-term, sustainable results and success. The fifth key to sustainable success is integrity. Integrity means doing the right thing, even when nobody's looking. Warren Buffett once said, in looking for people to hire, look for 3 qualities: integrity, intelligence, and energy. And if they don't have the first, the other 2 will kill you. Integrity builds trust, and trust is the foundation of any lasting success. Make honesty and ethical behavior a non-negotiable in your journey. And the final key, it's all about giving back. Give back. Give back to your community. It not only creates an impact within them, but it gives you a sense of fulfillment, a sense of purpose. It creates a positive cycle of success and impact. Success isn't just about what you achieve, it's also about what you contribute. So to wrap it up, sustainable success is built on 6 keys. A strong foundation, continuous learning, resilience, balance, integrity, and giving back. So learn from the greats, apply these principles to your own journey, and watch your success flourish and grow. By the way, if you are looking for sustainable success, we have created an entire course designed around this. It is called 7 Deadly Strengths, and it is available on Udemy. And guess what? It includes 7 deadly strengths, which aren't limited to the ones that you watched and learned about today. And it gives you techniques, hacks, and tricks on how to begin to embody them. Okay, now for your free gift. Don't forget to download your Success Rituals free guide. And if you enjoyed our content, then make sure that you subscribe to our channel and to our newsletter. And for some behind the scenes content, follow us on Instagram. Till next time, keep learning, keep growing, and don't forget, you've got this.